Hey guys, and welcome back. Now, after a recent trip, I just want to talk quickly about flying drones in the Philippines. Now, as you might have guessed, the Philippines is an absolutely stunning place to fly drones. With its white sand beaches and towering limestone cliffs, you're going to be able to get some incredible shots just like this. So it's entirely okay for a traveller to bring a drone into the Philippines and fly it there, as long as it is for recreational use. If it's commercial, you're going to have to do some paperwork and get some licenses, but for recreational it's fine. Just a few guidelines though that you should know before you get started. Most of all, it's just stay away from people. So the guideline is you need to stay 30 meters away from anyone that's not directly involved in the video. So in other words, don't fly your drone over to within 5 meters of some kids playing basketball who you haven't already talked to first, if that makes sense. You're also not allowed to fly drones near schools and government buildings. So that kind of restricts you from flying them around cities, which is fine anyway. Just go out into the countryside. And besides that, it's just kind of the normal rules. Don't fly over 400 feet. And don't fly within 10 kilometers of an airport. There was one place I went, my drone wouldn't even take off because we're just inside the 10 kilometer radius. And don't fly your drone at night. So that's all for flying drones in the Philippines. Definitely recommend taking a drone with you if you've got one. And personally I fly the Mavic Air because it's nice and small and it fits inside my backpack. I hope this video was useful, and if you've got any questions, please just ask them in the comment section below the video. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and until next time, good night, good day, and good morning.